So now I will kickstart the session. Let's begin. A very good afternoon to everyone, and welcome to today's guest session on how to optimize LinkedIn for getting internships and job. LinkedIn, as most of us are aware of, is akin of a social networking site like Facebook to be precise. But LinkedIn is mostly being used for professional purposes. This is a platform which you can utilize to showcase your skills, expertise, education, experience, etc. You might be thinking that a resume can also do the same things, but one thing to keep in mind is that resumes are not launched or sent to someone until you personally do it. You can update your resumes to sites, but who sees them? I'm sure not many. But if you update your LinkedIn profile, chances are that the number of audiences will increase. Basically, through LinkedIn, you can let the job world know that you are available for a job in a very detailed manner. So, a well written LinkedIn profile comes into picture. Created for professionals, LinkedIn has touched new heights in today's digital age. With 722 million plus users, it boasts a space that suits the needs of marketers and people looking to grow their professional careers. LinkedIn maintains its supremacy as a social network for professionals despite new entrants in the market. Whether recruiters accept the fact or not, they Google the candidate's name before hiring just to check the background, which is essential for them to know before they hire you. Now that we know that what LinkedIn is, it is essential to know that why it is important to update your LinkedIn profile and keep it up to date. To guide us in today's session, we have Mr. Shiva Dutigama, who is a digital marketing consultant who has been in this business for the past 10 years and more. He is not only expert in LinkedIn, but along with this, he has expertise in the field of event coordinating, marketing, and sales. He has been hustling since the age of 13, who while at college had interned with more than 15 companies. In 2017, BDM Ads, Mr. Shiva's own company was founded for marketing, branding, and consulting to help in aiding the growth of blooming businesses. Sir is a guru in digital marketing, LinkedIn growth, branding and advertisement, lead generation, content marketing, personal branding. Today, we will be using his expertise in the field of LinkedIn profile designing. I hope all of you are logged into a LinkedIn account and ready to restructure and redesign your profile and make it a job magnet and garner more attention. I request all the participants to mute their mics, and if any questions during the session, you can the doubts in the comment section, or you can unmute yourself and ask the doubts to Sir itself. I hand over the session to you, sir. The session is all to you, Shiva, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the warm welcome. So, Kaz, I'll be taking you through the slide deck, which I have designed for you guys. So, like, I will be, you'll be going through all the things how to design a profile photo, your cover picture, your headline, and everything, starting from there. And also, what are the things they have to do, to get a job and also, to get an internship, from LinkedIn. So I will share my screen. Let me know if you guys can see it.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yeah, cool. So the topic today, which we are gonna discuss is how to optimize LinkedIn for getting jobs and internship. Okay. So little bit about me. What I do is I help coaches, business owners, on the entrepreneurs businesses to build their brand and also get leads on LinkedIn. Okay, that's my expertise and also social media in general. So another thing is why you should care. Okay. So right now 756 billion members are using LinkedIn over the world. And India is second in the list after USA. So yeah, and it is the biggest B2B platform and everyone, every professional is mostly present on this LinkedIn platform. Okay. Next one, why LinkedIn? It's an unexplored platform, and you can use it to get jobs and also build your personal brand. It is not only for getting jobs. Earlier, it was job finding platform. Right now, people are using to build personal brand, get leads, and also do business on LinkedIn. If you see there are 87 million millennials on LinkedIn, and with over 7 11 billion in decision making positions. If you want to reach out to founders, business owners, or any decision maker of any company, this is the platform. and average income is at like $46,000 per year, and 41% of millionaires are LinkedIn. Okay, you can see this is the platform, like there is no bullshit, like everyone is want to build their business, want to grow their professional career and also get leads. That is the main focus of them. And if you want to reach out to a decision maker of any company, there is no platform rather than LinkedIn where you can reach out to them. Like this is the best platform, and this, if you master this platform, this will be a game changer for you.
Hello, sir. Actually, your presentation screen is frozen. So can you just reshare it? Hello, guys. I think sir has some technical glitch, so he will rejoin the session shortly. So please be patient. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Sorry, I don't know what happened. Like,
Yeah,
shit.
not an issue, sir.
Can you guys can see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Cool. So, why LinkedIn? If you see over here, like 40 million plus people use LinkedIn to search daily, like for getting jobs, and every minute, like three people get hired. And in USA alone, like we have like 300K plus like remote opportunities. And these are the stats, which are like I have taken from the LinkedIn. Okay. And coming to the platforms, like LinkedIn is the number one B2B platform. Like it's a number one content marketing platform. And after that, Twitter, Facebook, and everything. Okay. Then our objective, like your objective is very important when it comes to LinkedIn. Like you have to have a clear objective why you're on LinkedIn. Is it for the job? Is it for your business? Is it to build your brand? Is it for networking, or or anything else? So if you have a clear objective, then only you can figure out you can figure out your goal, and then you can work towards it. Okay. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Cool. So then comes the important thing, like that is like LinkedIn profile optimization. Here we'll be covering these things like profile URL, profile photo, cover photo, headline, your summary, bio, featured, endorsement, recommendation, education, and certifications. Okay. So first things first, like you know, when you start, doing your LinkedIn profile optimization, first URL is important. URL by default, if you start using LinkedIn, the profile URL will be having your name with the numbers and alphabets. So you should optimize your URL in such a way that you should not use your numbers and alphabet. You should use your name. Only there should be no space. Only you should have your full name. Like maybe you can add your relevant skill or your expertise to that. So you should not be having any alphabets or numbers in your URL. That is your LinkedIn URL. Okay. So I will be, walking down, like I will be walking down through the slide deck. After that, I will be showing you practically how you can do on LinkedIn platform, how you can optimize your profile URL, how you can do photo and everything. Okay. So next comes a cover photo. Okay. Next comes a profile picture. So if you see the profile picture, if you are having a profile picture, you are, it will make, people more like to be viewed. Okay. So that is like, if you have profile picture, you will be viewed 14 times more than the other profile pictures. So don't have a, blank photo. You should have a clear headshot photo with the background, white background. So how you can do white background is like you can use tools like remove.bg or background remover for removing the background. So you can, if you don't have a profile, you know pro- professional photographer, what you can do is like you can take your phone and you can stand against a white wall and take your picture, so that like your picture will be good. And headshot, it should be a good headshot. Don't put like your vacation photos or with your dog or something else. Okay. So next come the cow photo. Okay. Cow photo is something which will help you, like your recruiters or hiring people to understand what you're good at. So what you have to do here is like what you do, what's your expertise. If you have a blog or website, you can include that over there. And your call to action, that is like your social media URL something. If you don't have want to include your social media URLs, it's okay. But people should know that you are good at something. If you can see over here, like this is a cover photo of my client. So what we'll be doing here is like this, there is a logo, what they do, and authority, like these are the platform they have featured in Forbes, they have featured in VB and Nasdaq and Harvard websites. And also you can see the LinkedIn URL and also the Twitter URL, which will bring the authority, and that is called uh, that can be your call to action as well. So as a student, what you can do is like you can talk, in your cover photo you can talk about the things you are good at. You can tell them like I am good at this, or I love this, or these are the things I am expert at. So I'll be showing you practically, like after this presentation. Okay. So next come the headline. Headline is something which below your cover photo and the profile picture. So headline should be your elevator pitch. Okay, when people see your profile pic, like your LinkedIn profile, they should know like what you're good at, and like why they should hire you. Okay, your profile like elevator pitch. For me, if you can see like 5 million views, it's a social authority. And coming to like my elevator pitch, like I can help you to grow on LinkedIn. Okay, that's like that's my elevator pitch. And yeah, so you can do like I can help to grow on LinkedIn without paid ads or like something else. Like that can be your elevator pitch. What you can do is like you can include your keywords as well. Like for me, it's digital marketing, personal branding, lead generation. So you can also include your keywords, like which will help you in the ranking. So you can do that, like if it is project management, copywriting, content, anything like which you are good at, like you can include them. So that will help you in the ranking. When people search for relevant keyword, your profile will pop up, and that's how like people will discover your profile. Guys, you're understanding something like
Yes,
hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Cool, cool.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So summary, like summary is your bio. Okay, summary or bio is the same. So first lines are very important. Okay, like first lines, like when you're talking about yourself, like when people comes on your profile, they will see your first 2 3 lines, and they will see like if they are like impressed or not. You have to make the good impression in first 2 3 lines. Then talk about your experiences, your qualifications, goals. Okay, talk about like what your if let me take an example, like let me give you an example. So if I am talking about myself, like I talk about the startup experience I have done 15 internships. I have like, I am working from the past 10 years in digital marketing, and I am helping very like different brands to build their brand on social media, especially on LinkedIn. And give call to action is something where you can mention your LinkedIn URL or your website or your blog as well. So don't be, very shy to, promote yourself. Be shameless in promoting. That's how like, people will know you. So always, have this in mind. Like the best known will beat the best. Even if you have like 1 million followers, 2 million followers, 5 million followers, if people don't know about you, you are gone. Like you will be nowhere. So it's all about branding, talking about yourself, creating content. That's how like people will recognize you, and you'll, eventually get a job, get leads, or build your business on LinkedIn. So featured is something, where you can include your links, that is your blog website or your website or your the experiences and the online course certifications. If you have, like, you can include your links over there, and you can use tools like Peaky.link or Bitly or other tools to customize links and images. If you can see over here, like I have here I have kept my consultation link, and also the profile profile post which I have performed better. So when people come to my feature, they know like this guy have like a good content, and also helping people, and he has good engagement on his profile, and also like he is getting good views. That's how like people approach me and I close them. Instead of you going to the people coming to you, that there are more chances of closing, even for business, or else like for recruiting others. If people recruiters approach you, and if they offer you a job, like you have like the ball is in your court, because you can like you can demand more, like that's how things work. So make sure that like you optimize it in such a way that more people will approach you for opportunities. Then comes the skills and recommendations. Okay, in the skills and recommendations, you have to include your top 3 skills. Okay, if it is a project manager, like if you want to become a project manager, you could talk about your project management skills, your software skills, like anything. If it is about marketing strategy, growth marketing, digital marketing. So think about the top 3 skills which you can add to your profile, and ask your friends or people to endorse you, because earlier it was all about professional endorsement. Right now, like, it's important to have a social proof. So ask people, like ask your friends to endorse, and do the same for your friends as well. That's how like you will max out your endorsements. Then comes recommendations. Recommendations don't take from everyone, take only from the mentors and the key people, and where they can add some value to your profile. If you're taking from your friends, and if you have like 100 recommendations, and if that is not adding value to your profile, there is no use. So it's always important to take from your lecturers, your mentors, and the key people who add value to your profile. So these are the tools which I use. Okay, like remove.bg for remove the background of your profile, Canva for designing the cow photo, resume worded. This is a tool which ranks your profile, like coming from the profile picture, cow photo, headline, bio, endorsement, recommendations, and the experiences. Like everything like will be taken into account, and they will be giving you the ranking. So then fourth one, it's called peak.link. It is for customizing the links and the images. Photo filler, it is something where your profile photo will be given a ranking from 0 to 10. So if you use the tool, like you will be understanding how to have a good profile picture. So Crystal Nose is a tool, like it's an another tool where Chrome extension, where uh, you know people, like you can understand the people, you can know about them, like what is their character and what is their like how how they are, like they are chilling, like or else like how you can talk to them and everything. So it's a free tool, like you can use them. And another one is Snapper. Snapper is something where it's a similar to photo filler. It will give the ranking to your profile picture. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I want to know, like your guys are getting something out of this, right? Like your guys are understanding. So
Yes, sir,
what
we
I am
get.
talking.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
definitely.
Yes, sir, we are
Sure.
getting.
Yes, sir.
Cool. So now the most important thing, like which talk is like just in the comments, like just type bring it on, like BIO. Like I'm telling you the most important hack which will change your like you know job
Yes,
job
sir.
searching, and also like will give you so many opportunities.
Sir,
Hello.
screen is not visible. Sir, screen is
Yeah,
not
yeah.
visible. One tap
Yeah,
is
I'm
there.
doing it. Yeah. So just type bring it on. Like I'm giving you the best hack which will change your entire, job searching and also, job finding, you know,
So screen is not visible yet.
yeah. So just type bring it on. Then I will be showing you the greatest hack which will change your job searching and also job searching process. And this, if you do it for 1 or 2 months, I am sure like you will get a job. That's how I have been mentoring and coaching so many people, and it have worked for them. I think it will work for you as well. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Just type bring it on. Like I am showing you the greatest hack like which will work for you guys. Cool. Yeah. So this is something which I have discovered, like after mentoring so many students and also coaching so many students. So how to get a job, like using LinkedIn in 10 steps. Okay. So if you follow this, I am sure like you will get a job, provided if you have some decent skills in 2 3 months. That's for sure. So what you have to do is, like, first things first, go to your LinkedIn search and type relevant keyword. Okay. If it is project management or project manager, copywriting, marketing, anything, like whatever the skill you want, go to LinkedIn search and type. Then after that, like go to click on jobs, you will have a job profile and use filters. Like, you can use filters and you will get the details of all the relevant people and the decision makers in that company. So go to them, like connect with decision makers of that company, maybe HR, that is first one, founders, co-founders, operation managers or marketing managers who have the immediate authority to, to hire you. Okay, talk to them and like a decision maker. Don't message them like asking for a job directly. Like first get some, talk to them and send them a personalized note, like why you want to connect with them. Okay, tell them like you are in this field and you want to connect them and learn from them. And after that, endorse their skills, endorse their top 3 skills. Okay. After this, take 2 3 days of time and ask them if you can refer. Okay. And make sure at least you match 70% to the job, and also have relevant skill stack. Okay. Don't just apply to every job, that will not work. So after that, like if they don't respond or if they are not responding to you, use email finder tools like Hunter.io, SalesQL, Clearbit, Find That Lead, or Contact Out. These are the tools. For in the free version, for every tool you have 50 credits. Okay, you can find the email ID of 50 persons in each tool, and it's completely free. If you see over here, you have 5 tools, 5 into 50, 250 emails you can find out from LinkedIn, like from LinkedIn, like you can easily get some 250 profiles with their email addresses. Then what you do is, like, send them a cold email saying like why you are interested in the job and why they should hire you. Don't talk in like some 20 lines, 30 lines, or like don't be don't send them a like big message, like just convey them in short, like 2 3 lines or like 6 lines telling them why you are interested, why they should hire you. Simple. And cold email is something where you don't have to have a like write so much and write articles and something like that. Just write to the point, tell them why you're interested and why they should hire you, and repeat this with 10 to 30 job roles every day. So 10 to 30 job roles if you do every day for at least 2 months, and you will get a job. This is for sure. It has worked for many people and it will work for you. Guys, like, am I making sense? Did you understand anything like till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So simple, like, having your profile optimized is one other thing, but it's your, it's on you to network with more people and talk to people. That's how get good jobs, and also you will you will grow in your professional career. If you see, 70% of the job roles are, have most of the people will network and they will recommend only the people they know, and 30% job will be advertised. So you think like, don't be on LinkedIn for just doing business, getting leads, or talking to people and getting jobs. Network with people, talk to people, talk to your people who are doing big in your respective industries, and everyone will be okay to work like talk to you because you are a student, and talk to them and do internships. Like, first learn, okay? Don't think about earning is not something which should be in your mind while you are starting your career. I am telling you frankly, I have started with 10,000 rupees per month, and I know like it's less, but there is lot of learning which I have gained over the years, and that's how I am what I am, like, because of that only. So don't uh, go after money, go after learning knowledge. Once you become an expert, then there is no looking back. So LinkedIn, and I have created a poll, and most of the people have said like only people are using LinkedIn for networking. Most of the people, like 70% of the people said like they are using LinkedIn for networking, and 10-20% for the jobs, and other people for the getting leads and other things. So networking is the super important thing. Like, your network is your net worth. I'm telling you frankly, if you talk to 10 people daily, either for the job, business, or the getting leads, anything, I'm telling you, in 1 month you will see the progress. Anyone like will be ready to help you, provided you have something, some skills, and also some qualification that is relevant to the particular job. Guys, I'm making sense, you understanding, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, I will be sharing you the profile, and like I'll be walking through how you can do. Like, if you have like if you want, like, you guys can open your LinkedIn profile and then just do like whatever I say, and by the end of which section, like, your profile will be optimized. Simple. Okay. Yeah, guys, like, can you guys see my screen, like, my LinkedIn profile?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Cool. So first things first, as I told you, like, first we'll be editing the profile URL. Profile URL is on the right side. Like, you can see on the right side, edit public profile in URL. Okay. Go there and click. Then click on edit your custom URL. Okay. there you can change like whatever you want. For me, like earlier it was Shiva, some alphabets and the numbers. I change it to Shiva Dudigama growth expert, like organic growth expert. So you can change to anything. Make sure that you don't have alphabets and numbers in your profile URL. Have your name or else your relevant skill. You can add that, or you can, you know, or add marketing or sales specialist, anything to your LinkedIn URL, but don't add numbers and your like alphabets, because when people are searching for you, they don't use alphabets and the numbers in the LinkedIn search. Okay. Guys, you guys are following me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Cool.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Cool. Once it is done, like then it is more. Then the most important part is profile picture. Okay. So profile picture, what you can do is like if you don't have a profile picture, use take a profile like, take a pic and use Canva where you can design your profile picture, or else like you can ask anyone to in your like your friend or someone like who's a graphic designer, they will do it for you. Then one important thing is like when you're saving your image, okay, like try to save it as instead of saving numbers or something, use your relevant skill. For me it is digital marketing, right? Like I can save it as digital marketing and save. Okay, after that what you have to do is like edit your profile picture. So gently just click on upload and save photo. So what you'll be getting here is like once you have saved your profile picture using a keyword or a uh, like a relevant ranking tool, it will help to rank your profile. So that is very important. Instead of saving it as picture or something, try to use your relevant keyword or your ranking keyword, which can help you to rank your profile. Okay, once after it is done, the same thing, like go to your cover photo and use Canva and use it. Okay, then this is the headline. You can see right here, it is like 5 million plus views and I can help you grow on LinkedIn. Digital marketing, personal branding, lead generation, branding. These are all the keywords which will help you on ranking. So you can use your relevant keywords and everything. Okay. So one of the most important thing is like right now, like LinkedIn is given as a new feature which is called a creator mode. So you can on your creator mode, like it is it is below your dashboard. Okay, go to your creator mode and it will be on. What you have to do is like you have to it will be off, like you have to on it, like that will help you, get more views. So after that, what you can do is like you can add your topics where you are interested. Okay, like for me, you can add the topics. For me, it is branding, marketing, digital marketing, and personal branding. You can do the same and click on save. So when you see over here, you can see below your headline, like I talk about branding, marketing, digital marketing, entrepreneurship, and the personal branding. So you can do the same. Like so, when people are searching for branding, marketing, and like LinkedIn will show my content. Okay, so try to use creator mode, and that will help you, in reaching out to more people. Next comes the featured. Okay. Guys, your understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So next comes the feature. What you can do is like if you don't understand, like you can ask now, or like you can ask questions at the end. Okay. So what in the feature? Next comes the feature. Like what you can do is like click on plus symbol. You can add your posts, articles, links, and media. Just click on it, and you will be able to add the link. Just add the link and click on add. That will that is like more than enough. And you can also exhibit or show your top performing post. So go to 1 second. So how you can do is like click on your profile post. So click on the three dots like right side to it. You can see a red feature on the top of your profile. Just like click on feature on the top of your profile. That's it. So that post will be visible on the featured. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
sir.
Shiva, can you please repeat what you just said?
Okay.
So we don't have the feature options.
Okay. You don't have the feature option, right? Okay. What you can do is like uh, you have like more, right? Like add section more. Like if you can see below your head below your headline, like you will have open to add section and more. Okay. Click on more. Hello. Can you guys? Hello. Can you guys can
Yes,
see
sir.
the screen? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
inside to open to, you will have a add section. Okay. And in the add section, you can see the featured. Okay. Click on featured and you can see like posts and everything. Like you can see, you can add your post or you can delete your post and everything. So this is a one of the thing. And coming to how to add, the things like just go to add session. Okay. Click on media. So just you can add like select your pictures or images on anything, just click on open, like that will be like you will be able to add your thing. So or else like if you want to add link, okay, let's say just like we are adding YouTube link, just select the link and click on add, like you can see the link. Okay, your title it will be automatically taken and also description it will be automatically taken. Then just you have to click on save.
So what kind of media we are supposed to display?
Yeah. As I told you here, you can talk about your, accomplishments, your experience, your online certifications. Show them like I'm telling you, don't tell people that you know something or you have expertise in something. Show them like they by seeing your profile, they should know like you're good at this. Talk about the things you are excited about, you have experience, and you want to be in the like want to be in the software industry. Talk about the software, industry, software, like latest happenings, industry trends, and everything. So people will perceive you as an authority, and they will do, they will either recruit you or they will do business with you. So if you don't talk about anything, then you can't do anything. Like that's how like and show off, like you show off your skills, accomplishments, and everything over here. That's how featured is for showing of your skills, your website, your accomplishments, your blog post, your website, like everything, like whatever where it can add value to your profile, so that people will know that you are good at something. Okay. So how to do, as I told you, like go to add session there in the featured, you can add, you know, you can add links, media, everything. Okay.
Sir, I have a
Yeah.
question.
Yeah, I
Sir,
can go on.
if I have done certification from Coursera, so how to show that achievement on profile?
As I told you, like go to add session. There you can have like you can add your media, your links. Okay, anything you can add. You can also add your blog post. Just like click on it, you can see the media. Like if you go down, you can see the links, media, articles. You can add anything over here. Media is something where you can add your photos, videos, or something. Okay. So just try to
Okay,
do
sir.
that. Like if you, yeah, you try to do that. If you don't understand, like you can message me back on LinkedIn. Like I will help you. Okay. So if thing comes to your about session, as I told you, like I have spoke about my journey, like what I am doing right now, and how I can help my prospects, and also how people can contact me. That is my profile, profile links. So always have a call to action, mention your email ID in your summary or bio so that people can contact. Okay. Don't just talk about the things you are good at. It's all about them, how you can help your company so that they can recruit you and show your expertise, and also give them call to action, that is your email ID or something where people can contact you back. So coming to the experience, like in the experience as well, like if you don't write about your current position, like you are losing on the people like who are already updating everything. So if your current position is, you don't update, like you are losing on so much, like 30%. 30% of the companies will hire only by seeing your current position. If your experience is nothing, like nil, you don't have, even if you don't have anything, you can talk about your volunteer experience and also the skills, like which will help you, to get a job. So in the US or in any countries, most of the people will hire, based on the internships and the volunteer experiences. Like rather than doing so many jobs or having so much experience, it will help you. But it's all about the internships and having the volunteer experience. So in the weekends or any time, like you can use your time to do internships or volunteer with some organization where it will help you in like going forward in your professional journey. So try to include keywords in your experience as well. Then certification, as I told you, like you can talk about your certifications, like what are the things you are good at. Like there is Coursera, like there is Udemy, there is LinkedIn Learning. Use free platforms and the free tools. Like if you don't have money, then probably once you get good money, then you can go to the premium courses. So in Udemy you will hardly get, for 500 bucks you will get a course. Like you can go through that course and you can develop your skills, hone your skills, and put your certifications, licenses in the LinkedIn, which will help to grow further in your professional career. So yeah, so these are the things. As I told you, like volunteer experience, like I have like almost have like worked with so many companies as an intern, and also volunteer experience. Like in the weekends, like I used to work with some organizations, like social organization, where I used to go to orphanages, teach children, or go to some organization, help them in their activities. That's how, like I grew my network, and also spoke to so many people, and it helped in my professional journey as well. So recommendation, as I told you, talk to your like lecturers, your mentors, or anyone who can help you, and that will add value to your profile. Don't take from your friends. I am like telling you, frankly, if you're taking that, you are losing you will have nothing to show, because like if you have some professional people like recommending you, then definitely like that will be added on to your profile. Okay. Hello. Hello guys, like
Yes, sir. Yeah.
yeah, you
Yes,
got
sir.
right, like whatever I have said till now, like
Yes, sir.
cool. So start doing it. Like once you, if you get any doubts, like feel free to reach out to me. Like, then I will make a video for you guys, and like, I will send it over to you. Like, be it anything, starting with profile picture, URL, cover photo. Like, feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. I will be happy to help you guys. So like other thing, as I told you, like the first most important hack, like where I'll be showing you to how to, you know, do a job search on LinkedIn, and also how you can find a email ID of any person on LinkedIn. Okay. Just type bring it on, like if you want me to show you like the process, job searching process, and also the email finding, and how you can do cold emailing process, like just type bring it on BIO if you are like excited about it. So first things first, like as I told you, type in the LinkedIn search, go and type your relevant keyword. Let's say it's about no uh, marketing. Just go and type marketing and select marketing in jobs. Okay. So here you can see everything, starting from the jobs you have all over the world, and you can, see the date they have posted, experience level, company, job type, is it, full-time, part-time, remote. No, you can easily apply, like just click on it and you can apply directly, like the LinkedIn, the LinkedIn will give the all the details from your profile, so that like, you don't have to send resume or other things. So let's start. Okay. So as I told you, like you can play around with this, like the date posted, the experience level, and everything. Like just uh, click on it, and you can see anytime, past month, past week, past 24 hours. Just like click whatever uh, works for you. Then select experience level. Like it's assuming like you we are we are starting. Let's like select entry level. Company. Accenture, forever living prison manpower, like let's say like Accenture. Then job type, full time. let's say like in the marketing you have like analyst digital marketing, and you have like so many other things. Like let's go to analyst digital marketing. You can see over here, like you can directly apply save. You can save, either save or you can apply. So you can see like there are 38 applicants who are already applied. So six connections are are directly connected to me. I can reach out to them, tell them like I'm interested. You have to see like Accenture, if you're directly connected to any connections, like you can say over here. Then that's it. Like you can connect with them, and in you can see the job application, you can apply. So how different is like how you can find the email ID and cold email them, or you can reach out to them. Is like uh, just click on Accenture. Like right now, like I think like we are applying in Accenture. Okay, so Accenture in people. So click on all filters. So here you can see like here if you want their first connection, second connection, third connection, and also you can select the locations like in India, any like or whatever the thing. And here you can select industry, you can select human resources, HR, because they are the most important for any company. Like just click on HR and show results. So if you can see over here, we have like Sonal Aurora, like that's the first profile. You can connect with her, and don't just connect and send them here. If you can see add a note, like click on add a note, and you can send that like why you want to connect to her. Tell them like I have came across a job post on LinkedIn, and I want to connect with you, and explore the possible opportunities. Like that's it, and clear to the point. After that, like you can engage with the content, endorse the top three skills. If they have not replied to you, what you can do is like use tools like find that lead, or other tools where there you can get their email ID. This is the find that lead Chrome extension. Just click on it.
So I have a
So
question.
sure, yeah, shoot.
Some of the profiles do not show the connect icon, so we have to go to the more and
Yeah.
then connect. Why is it so?
Yes. Why? Okay. So we have two options over here. Okay. So most of the people, what they is like, we have only max 30,000 connections. Okay. And most of the people don't want to, connect with everyone. So instead of the connect button, they will have follow as their primary button, so that people will follow them. And for follow, there is no limit. Connections, 30,000 connections. For follow, there is no limit. Like you can have like as many millions as followers as you want. So most of the people want to get followers, and they want to show authority in the LinkedIn, on LinkedIn platform. That's why most of the people will have follow. Even for my profile, you can see follow as my primary option. You can also go to settings and change remove connect and have follow as a primary option. You can do that. Okay, so that's a sole reason, because more if you see the CEOs, founders, business owners will have follow as their primary option because they don't want to connect with everyone. So yeah, so what for, like, if that's the case, what you have to do, like, go to more and connect with the people and send them a personalized note. And I forgot to tell you guys, LinkedIn has right now LinkedIn has a limit. You can only send hundreds in 100 invites in a week with a personalized note. So it's like 15 per day. You can't send more than 15 per day we with a personalized note. If you send more than 15, if people don't accept or they report to LinkedIn, well, LinkedIn will block your profile. So don't send more than 15 with a personalized note. After 15, you can direct connect with them, but you can't send messages to them. As simple as that. So here what you do is, like, if you send them a request, you spoke to them like that you want to connect, and you have shown interest in applying to the job. So if they did not reply you, what you can do is, like, use tools like find that lead. So that will scroll their entire profile. And if there is LinkedIn, like, if their email is present in the database or whatever it is, then it will send you the details. So if you can see over here, like, we have two email IDs, that is like indiafccheck.accenture.com and also data privacy officer at accenture.com. So in her profile, she did not mention, or while using talking to people, she did not mention her personal ID. She has only professional ID, like professional email. So what you can do is, like, you can talk, like, see more profiles similar to her profiles on LinkedIn, where they have connected, like, where they are working on working in Accenture. Do the same thing, like, send her a profile, like, send them a message, see for 2-3 days, engage with their content, and note their top 3 skills. After that, like, try to get their email ID and then shoot them a mail saying that why you are interested and why they should hire you. Simple. So if you do that, and if the job profile is matching at least 70%, and if you have a relevant skill stack, then there is no looking back. Do it for 10 to 30 job profiles every day, and by the 2 months, 3 months, you will get a job. And try to hone your skills and have volunteer experience, your internship experience, and also the skills where you are good at. Don't try to tell them, show them, because people will believe, like, you have got the results instead of talking to them or showing them, like, just talking directly in the results where they can see. Okay, so so that's about it, guys. Like, it's the end of the session. Like, I have told you everything which can help optimizing your LinkedIn profile, and also how you can search for your job and what you can do. Then if you guys have any doubts, like, you can right now ask me, because, like, I have experience, like, I have done 15 plus internships and also volunteer for 10 to 15 organizations before starting my professional journey. So if you guys have any doubt regarding to regarding volunteering, getting internships, or also other things, like, you can ask me. Like, I am happy to answer your questions. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, that's how the end the end of the webinar. So I have told you everything, like, whatever I use to you, or else I coach to students or professionals who come to me for LinkedIn profile makeover, or helping them in their professional journey. So if you guys have any questions, shoot right now, or else, like, we can wrap up the session.
Yes, guys, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment box or you can directly ask, sir.
So in the case of some HRs, they don't. They are they are connective only on the connect option, and LinkedIn is having a message feature for premium class only. In that case, what we have to do, sir?
Okay, so you're telling me that some people don't have connect option and they have only message option, and you can only do if you have a premium account. Okay, so what you can do is like if that is the case, you can engage with the content and try to follow them and engage on their post or articles, anything. That's how you can get their attention. And if you I think like every company will not have only a single person as a HR. Like if it's a big company, you will find so many HRs. And don't if you are not able to find or reach out to them, what you can do is like you can talk to the founders, managers of that particular company. They will be happy to refer you, or else like founders, co-founders have the authority to directly hire you without talking to HRs. So that is the case. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think your question is answered. Like, or else
Yes, sir.
about like I can. Yeah. Hello.
Hello, guys.
Yes, sir. You have answered the question.
Yeah, if you have any other question, surely you can drop it in the comment box or you can unmute and ask, sir. I guess the session was indeed engaging and everything was explained in such a good manner that there are not many questions in our minds, because you have explained every aspect of how to use LinkedIn, how to be more visible, how to arrange your profile, and how to be more reachable. So, sir, I enjoyed the session, and indeed it will help us in building a profile, because in coming months we're going to apply for internships. So, having a strong LinkedIn profile is going to really help us to stand outside and stand out of the market and be something different. So, I would request all the participants that the session, I will conclude the session, and thank you for your participation. I thank my coordinator, my faculty coordinator, Ms. Kajal Maheshwari, who has handled this session, who has given me the opportunity to coordinate it. Along with this, I thank Dr. Kirti Dhadwarkar, our director, who has made this session possible. Along with this, I also thank you, sir, for sparing out your valuable time and giving us this beautiful insight in LinkedIn and how to manage a LinkedIn accounts. So on behalf of the entire SBPM family, our entire faculty, my entire student family, I extend a very warm thank you and request all the participants that the session is over, and thank you a lot, sir.
Thank you so much. Like you guys can reach out to me anytime on LinkedIn. Like if there is something, and I'm happy to help you guys. Like and feel free to message me anytime if it is about anything in your like that can help you in your professional journey. So
Yes.
yeah, I am
Surely, sir.
available on LinkedIn. Like just search for Shiva Dodigamma and you can like message me anything if you want. And thank you guys. Like I thank Kajal ma'am and also the Shreyas, like your your senior, and everyone like who have like made this session possible. And I have enjoyed thoroughly. And all the best guys for your professional journey. Like and I think like you will guys do very well.
Thank you a
Thank
lot,
you.
sir.
Thank
I
you,
hope
sir.
that the profiles become some good internship and job magnets, and we get the good opportunities in the coming future with your tips.
Sure. Even like I will see like if I can do anything for your guys, like when it comes to getting opportunities or getting internships. Like I have some connections. I will see like I can do anything.
Sure, sir. We'll surely reach out to you, and
Sure,
thank
sure.
you a lot.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Thank you. Nice talking to you guys. Bye.